Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back. Welcome if you are new. Today I am doing another quick easy meal collab hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Thank you so much for inviting me to do a collab with you guys and the other co-content creators, whomever is doing a quick easy meal tonight. So today, you guys know that I'm not a big meat eater. So today I'm doing something that has been on TV quite a while. So I'm doing an easy tuna casserole, easy tuna casserole. And this recipe is by All Recipes, and it has like 4.5 stars. You guys see that. And so, I'm looking forward to doing this. Actually, I've never made this before. Let me see if I can scroll down. And let's look at this. The prep time is 15 minutes, cook time 30 minutes, total time 45 minutes, and it serves 8. So evidently, we'll be having leftovers. Okay, here are the ingredients. You know, I always like to share with you guys. Here are the ingredients. But in any event, for the directions, you can always just pull it up. But moving over, here's what I have. These are the ingredients that I'll be using. And I'm always changing mine because they call for cream of chicken, but I'm going to use cream of mushroom as well. So I'm going to put that in and see what that does for a little pizzazz. And I'm using the Star Kiss wild caught tuna, but I'm using, the tuna that's in vegetable oil because I feel like it's healthier and it has more flavor. So I'm going to get started and I'll be back to let you know how I'm making out on my time. Okay guys, here we are. So I boiled my pasta. I put in the tuna and I poured the cream of condensed chicken soup on it. So now I'm going to add the cheese and then I'm going to pop it in the oven. As far as time wise, we are right on time. Okay, this is what it looks like with the cheese on it. I've sprinkled quite a bit of cheese. It calls for 2 cups. I probably put in about 2.5 cups. So now I'm going to put it in the oven for 25 minutes. I didn't put any, what do they call for here? French fried onions. I didn't put that on it because I'm not a lover of that. So I'm just going to pop this in the oven for 25 minutes. And let me just say this. This is an old recipe, but I've never tried it. So, I know it's quite popular, but I just have never tried it. So it's the first time for everything. So let me pop this in the oven. I'll get right back to you. Okay guys, here's the reveal. Easy tuna casserole with a healthy side salad. It didn't take very long. It did take a little bit longer because I had to boil the pasta, but it didn't take long after that, and it was really simple because after you do it, you mix in your ingredients, you pop it in the oven, you can go on and do something else for about 25 minutes and that's it. Okay, so that's a quick and easy meal for the Quick and Easy Meal Collab. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.